Welcome back to Scotty's Fishing Life. Tips and tricks for every species of fish. And please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification so you can go and catch your next species of fish. And let me know what species you want to see. And please tune into my other channel, The Hook and the Cook, with my good mate Paul Braheny. Look at that beautiful salmon. Fantastic. The Australian salmon has a robust body with continual dorsal fins, spines and soft rays. Body colour varies from greyish green to sturdily blue above, usually with yellow to dark spots along their sides, and a silvery underbelly. The Australian salmon is not related to the samoyed fish, but that rather to the perch family. The fish are common in big schools along the coast, with juveniles often found in coastal bays and estuaries. Maximum of 6 kilo to a length of 90 centimetres, with the average fish caught off Sydney between 1 to 3 kilos. It occurs from Queensland, Tweed Heads on the border, all the way down through New South Wales and round into Victoria and up into South Australia. And you also find them around Tasmania. The Australian salmon is also found along the Western Australia coast, but there are different species to that of the Victorian and New South Wales salmon. Salmon are also found around New Zealand, and over there they call them karwai. Salmon are a great sports fish and can be found along our coast in big numbers, on our beaches, rocky headlands, bays, rivers and estuaries, and will take a wide range of baits and lures. Salmon are a favourite fish with all anglers for their fighting ability. Nothing better than the old Australian salmon on light tackle, eh, Alan? Yeah. Fantastic fun, mate. Yeah, they're good fun. How you going up there, Mick? Hey? Just take your time on him. We're getting close on this one over here, I think. Here we go. Take your time, hang on. Coming over. Well, there he is. Nice salmon. Hey, well done. Happy with that one? Nice fish. Beautiful Aussie salmon. A little bit of colour down there now. Nice job, Mick. Well done. Beautiful fish, mate. Oh yeah, they fight well, don't they? The Australian salmon is a fantastic sports fish, and I've put together, guys, a small selection of my lures that have brought great results over many years for me. Trolling, I use these larger Halco lures or small Rapalas, and I've had great success on those. I normally drag them around on 6 to 8 kilo outfits. Soft plastics can really work well in feeding schools of salmon. Smaller jig heads and smaller plastics if the fish are fussy. Small metals have been a favourite of many anglers when spinning for salmon in big schools. So make sure you've got a few of these in your kit. I've had good results on small poppers, especially when the fish are really fussy. You can dance these through feeding fish and work them really slow, and sometimes that'll bring a result. But when the fish are real fussy, which happens off the Sydney coast quite often, trolling with small white flies or working them on a fly line can be deadly on Australian salmon. So there's a small kit, guys, something to give you guys an idea of what you need to target Australian salmon. The Australian salmon will take a wide range of baits, with pilcher being a favourite for many anglers. Whether you fish in the rocky headlands, along our beaches or out of your boat, these 3 rigs will work for you. The first one here is a great rig off the beach, number 5 ball sinker, swivel to suit, short trace at 2 to 300 mil, and then ganged hooks in 2/0s with half a pilchard. Great rig if there's a bit of swell along our beaches. The second one is Again, 6 to 10 kilo line running all the way down to a set of gangs, 4Os or 5Os with a hole pilchard. Fantastic rig if you cast it out and do a slow retrieve. And works really well off the beaches or off the rocky headlands in calm conditions. Third one is a favourite of many anglers, is a Patternosa Rig. Again, 6 to 10 kilo line, sinker 4 to 6 ounce. Distance between the sinker and the dropper for the hook is about 400 to 600 mil, and then 200 mil dropper on your hooks. And again, a set of gangs in 2Os, half a pilchard. Excellent rig in deep water along the beaches. So there's 3 rigs, guys, for your Australian salmon. Worth a try.
Okay, so here we are down on the beaches. Honda. The veins hooked up to my salmon. Here's a pilchard gang hook and an algae reel.
What species for fish will it be next week? Tune in and don't forget to subscribe. Cheers, guys.